Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the color theme of the editor in Overlay LaTeX. So let's get started. First thing, just come to the home interface of your project, and to the leftmost top you'll be having the menu option. Click that, and if you scroll down you'll be having the overall theme as well as the editor theme. So first let's try changing the overall theme. So it's in the default color. I think black is the default color. We have the light option. If you click it, you'll be getting the light theme. I think black looks good. And next one is the editor theme, which is this space over here. So by default it will be in TextMate. So we have so many options to choose from. So I'll just go with this one. So we'll be getting a dark theme like this, and you have so many options to choose from, like this, another dark theme like thing, Dracula, Cobalt. So once you have done selecting the necessary theme, you can just close it. That's it. The theme will be getting applied over here. So this is basically how you do it, guys, and do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.